could a massive asteroid be on a collision course with Earth? Meet Asteroid 2024 YR4, a huge space rock discovered on December 27, 2024 by the Atlas telescope in Chile. This asteroid is estimated to be between 40 and 90 meters wide. This object has captured the world's attention. Why? Because scientists have calculated a 2.3% chance that 2024 YR4 could impact our planet on December 22, 2032. While the odds may seem slim, the potential consequences can be devastating. An asteroid of this size could do major damage if it hit Earth, comparable to the Tunguska event of 1908, which flattened over 800 square miles of Siberian forest. On the night of December 27, 2024, astronomers at the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, or ATLAS, in Chile made this startling discovery. Their telescopes detected a new celestial object hurtling through space, a near-Earth asteroid designated as 2024 YR4. This space rock measures between 40 and 90 meters in diameter, comparable to the size of a football field. Classified as a near-Earth object, or NEO, the orbit of 2024 YR4 brings it into Earth's neighborhood, warranting close observation. Its discovery has shocked the scientific community, as researchers are working to track its trajectory and assess any potential threat to our planet. We are still struggling to determine if this asteroid poses any danger to Earth. As of February 7, 2025, NASA's Center for Near-Earth Object Studies has calculated a 2.3% chance that asteroid 2024 YR4 could collide with Earth on December 22, 2032. This is equivalent to a 1 in 43 chance of impact. This potential threat has led to a Level 3 classification on the Torino Impact Hazard Scale, a system used to rate the risk of space objects impacting Earth. A Level 3 rating signifies a close encounter that merits attention from astronomers. It's important to note that while a 2.3% chance may seem small, it still needs close monitoring and further observations to refine the asteroid's trajectory and assess any potential risk to our planet. Scientists around the world are collaborating to gather more data, hoping to either rule out an impact or prepare potential mitigation strategies should the need arise. To estimate the potential impact of this asteroid, we can look back to the Tunguska event of 1908. An asteroid, approximately 50 to 60 meters wide, exploded over Siberia, flattening 80 million trees across 2,150 square kilometers. This is equivalent to the area nearly the size of Luxembourg. Asteroid 2024 YR4 is estimated to be between 40 and 90 meters in diameter, potentially larger than the Tunguska impactor. If it were to collide with Earth, the consequences would be catastrophic. The severity of an asteroid impact depends largely on where it strikes. Over land, the immediate effects would include a massive explosion, generating intense heat and a powerful shockwave capable of leveling structures and causing widespread fires. The ground impact could also trigger significant seismic activity, leading to earthquakes. If the asteroid were to plunge into an ocean, the consequences could be even more far-reaching. The impact would likely generate tsunamis, sending big and high waves across coastal regions, potentially affecting multiple countries and causing unimaginable loss of life and property. Given that a significant portion of the world's population resides in coastal cities, an ocean impact could result in a humanitarian crisis of unimaginable scale. While these scenarios are based on simulations and historical analogs, they underscore the importance of monitoring near-Earth objects like 2024 YR4 and developing effective planetary defense strategies. In response to the potential threat posed by asteroid YR4, international space agencies have intensified their monitoring efforts. NASA's Center for Near-Earth Object Studies is at the forefront, continuously tracking the asteroid's trajectory and refining impact probability assessments. Simultaneously, the European Space Agency, or ESA, is actively observing 2024 YR4, coordinating with global partners to share data and insights. These efforts are part of a broader collaboration under the United Nations framework, involving the International Asteroid Warning Network and the Space Mission Planning Advisory Group, which work together to assess threats and plan potential responses. Should the need arise to deflect 2024 YR4, several strategies are under consideration. One proven method is the kinetic impactor technique, which involves sending a spacecraft to collide with the asteroid, altering its course. NASA's Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or DART, successfully demonstrated this approach in 2022 by impacting the asteroid moonlet Dimorphos. Another concept is the gravity tractor, where a spacecraft flies alongside the asteroid, using its gravitational pull to gradually change the asteroid's trajectory over time. In extreme cases, deploying a nuclear device near the asteroid could be considered to impart enough force to alter its path. However, this method carries significant risks and international legal implications. The potential threat of asteroid 2024 YR4 underscores the critical importance of international cooperation in planetary defense. By pooling resources, sharing data, and developing joint mitigation strategies, the global community aims to protect our planet from celestial hazards. As news of asteroid 2024 YR4 spreads, media outlets across the globe are capitalizing on the public's fascination and fear of a potential asteroid impact. Sensational headlines flood social media, fueling speculation and doomsday theories. From YouTube conspiracy theorists predicting the end of the world to social media posts spreading panic, misinformation is running rampant. But what do the experts say? While the 2.3% chance of impact in 2032 is enough to warrant close observation, leading astronomers emphasize that there is no immediate cause for alarm. Scientists expect further observations to refine the asteroid's trajectory, and in many cases such risk levels decrease over time as more precise data becomes available. Remember Apophis? Back in 2004, scientists feared it could hit Earth in 2029, but with more data, the risk was completely ruled out. This is why careful monitoring, not panic, is the right response. While the media thrives on fear, science relies on facts. And for now, the facts tell us that 2024 YR4 is a potential threat, but not an inevitable disaster.